What's up, family? Database here again with another violent video from Baltimore City. What I'm going to do first, right, is play the 911 call that came over the radio describing the suspect and what they're looking for him for. Then I'm going to show you the outcome once the police... Now, this ain't happening in the city. This is Baltimore County, as you see, which is Dundalk, which is basically right across the city line. You might as well say that's the city. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and let you hear this audio.
Robbery. Fellow explaining about white male, orange beard, gray sweatshirt, gray sweatpants. Still waiting on further. Apologize. Can you give me the description one more time? White male, orange beard, gray sweats, blue shoes, black book bag, and down.
Okay. It said it was a white male with an orange beard, gray shirt, gray sweatpants, blue shoes, and a black book bag. Now, he was a robbery suspect. I think they say he robbed 2 people, which is why they was looking for him. So, we're going to check out the outcome of this.
WJZ investigator Mike Halgren's live where it all unfolded on Dundalk Avenue and has more on the man at the center of this investigation. Mike?
We have learned he had a lengthy criminal record in several states and an open warrant. He crouched down by this van. You can see the window is blown out here from yesterday. And then if we go around the side, you can see there is a bullet hole still lodged in the front door. We talked to so many people today who are lucky that not more people were not hurt. Police have now identified Blaine Erb as the man behind the terrifying shootout in Dundalk. A bystander's camera was rolling as the bullets went flying. Because of a past criminal conviction, authorities say he should never have had access to a gun. They're currently tracing how he got 2 .40 caliber handguns and ammunition.
Was it stolen? Was it used in a robbery? How did he get it?
Investigators say Erb robbed 2 people at gunpoint at a shopping center nearby, then boarded the number 10 MTA bus. Police stopped that bus. That's when the shootout began. It ended with an officer and bystander wounded and Erb dead. I spoke.
Well, as you can see, the suspect was killed by the police. Man, one thing I can say about Baltimore, these criminals, man, don't have a fear of the police at all, whether it's Baltimore City or Baltimore County. Now, this young man had 2 pistols, and he was letting them all go like he was at the OK Corral somewhere. Had no regard for the residents. Look at that. That's a residential area right there. And I'm quite sure you see people all around. So apparently, I don't know, at this picture right here, I don't know if they were still on the bus. But he had no regard, man. I got some other footage I'm going to show you when he got on the bus and all that stuff, man. It's just crazy, man. And it's broad daylight. Man, I'm telling you, they don't care whether they black or white. They have no fear of the police and no regard for the residents. I don't know what this young man was thinking. Now, anytime you fire at a policeman, my opinion is you just got a death wish. And that's what I said about the 2 black guys that robbed the 7-Eleven downtown. They must have had a death wish. But, unfortunately, those 2 guys got away. But this guy didn't manage to get away, apparently. But they said he's dead now. So let's finish watching.
To Erb's sister Eva by phone from her home in Pennsylvania.
We had a loving family. This is devastated at his loss. I have not seen, nor do I intend to see the video.
WJZ looked into Herb's lengthy criminal record. He had convictions for an attempted robbery in Baltimore County 14 years ago, an assault 6 years ago on the Eastern Shore, and bringing contraband into a jail in Anne Arundel County. Firefighters cleaned the crime scene, but many here will never forget what they saw in the middle of a Wednesday afternoon in Dundalk.
I was scared to death. Because the simple fact is that you never know when one of them bullets is going to strike. And, I mean, I felt like my life was in danger. I really did.
Your life was in danger, ma'am. You should have been somewhere covered up. Yeah, this was crazy, though.
Another live look at the aftermath here. A lot of people have been asking about the injured officer. We can tell you at last check, she remains in serious condition at shock trauma. She was hit several times in the lower extremities and has to go through surgery, but she will survive this. Live in Dundalk, Mike Elgrin, WJZ.
Okay, family, this is another clip of the same incident. Now, this is another idiot, man, that has no regard for cameras. Everybody in Baltimore City know that there's cameras on the buses. You know, Baltimore City kind of remind me of that movie that Will Smith played in. Damn, I can't think of the name of it right now. But it was about, citizens being watched. Cameras everywhere. It's like we have no more privacy at all, right? And from what I heard is that they used that 911 incident to strip us of our right to privacy. Now, the 911 incident, they used that as an excuse to watch everything. You call it terrorist watch or some crap like that, right? And because of that incident, the citizens is okay with it. That's the psychological game that the government plays on the people. See, so they tell you that we trying to protect you while taking away your privacy rights. But anyway, that's a different story. But here go the guy getting on the bus, man, and this is some more footage of the guy with the orange beard.
He was just another passenger along the route. Those riding on an MTA bus down Dundalk Avenue thought while waiting for their stop. Camera footage from inside the bus shows 35-year-old Blaine Erb dressed in light-colored clothing. Baltimore County Police say the ex-felon tried robbing two people moments before hopping on board that June day, but not before the county police stopped the bus looking for the accused suspect. In the minutes that followed, there was a confrontation, causing Erb to draw and shoot his weapon inside the bus. Passengers on board ducking for cover, fearing for their lives, and eventually running to safety. As police began bracing themselves for cover, Erb then approaches the bus's side door with guns in both hands, firing shots to his left and his right as if in an old western.
You heard the first bullet hit the truck like, hey! So my friend told us, come on.
Man, why do they always find the craziest looking black person, man, to put on the damn news? This is ridiculous, man. Look at her. I hate to say it, man. I hate to put somebody on blast like that, man. But I'm sure it could have been a more pleasant-looking person to put on the damn news. Jesus, God.
Get off the truck, get off the truck. We get off the truck. All you hear is them open fire and shooting everywhere. You see.
And this is a prime example of the kind of people that's in Dundalk. Dundalk kind of like has a bad reputation of having some kind of messed up people in that area. I ain't condemning nobody, you feel me? But yeah, Dundalk is like a mixed area. There's a lot of drugs and stuff in Dundalk. So yeah.
All the bus people running everywhere.
After an exchange of gunfire that lasted for minutes, Erb was dead. but not before shooting and injuring a county police officer, only identified as Officer Slocum and a 21-year-old bystander. Both women sent to the hospital for their injuries. Baltimore County's state's attorney said the 4 officers who fired at Erd were justified in their actions, and because there are no charges pending in this case, here's a video glimpse into the scary moments of that day.
Yeah, family, I just wanted to show y'all that, man. Just a glimpse of what goes on in Baltimore, man. Nothing but guns, man. You know, they make me want to do some research on how all these guns is getting into our city, man. Now, I heard one report that a lot of guns is ending up in the wrong people's hands due to burglaries. As a matter of fact, I just seen a news clip a couple of days ago where 13 guns were stolen. I'm going to try to find that and post it for y'all. But yeah, it's just a day in the life of Baltimore City, man. Ain't no telling what the hell you might run into in this city, man. So, man, peace and love, man. Y'all try to stay safe wherever you at, whatever city you in. Just keep your guard up, man. All right? Peace.